What is the average electrician salary in Switzerland? On average, an electrician in Switzerland earns around $108,700 a year. That is average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, your take-home pay drops to $89,200. This leaves you with roughly $7,433 every month. While that is a strong electrician income, workers in major hubs usually get more. For instance, electrician wages in Zurich reach $103,100 after tax, though high rent in the city often eats up that extra money. How much does an electrician make in Switzerland if they are just starting out? Beginners earn well below the national average electrician salary in Switzerland, but your pay goes up fast in the first few years, before it stalls. A university degree helps you break through that ceiling, because higher education opens up better roles, which is why educated workers often become project managers or electrical engineers. On top of that, mastering specialized skills like industrial automation adds value to your profile, so taking on complex technical tasks is the best way to boost your average electrician pay.